Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick trick to catch the cosmic tailfish, an uncommon fish that unlocks a brand new locations in this new update in Visit. You can find this cosmic tailfish at the Planetary Observatory Island, this one. Since it's an uncommon fish, there's a simple trick to increase your chance. This fish, it's uncommon fish like this. And all you need is a medium level fishing rod and medium level bait. You don't need a high level rod. This is perfect for quick farming. And then after that, just cast your line and wait for a bite, and you will increase your odds of getting the cosmic tailfish. This fish. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.